here's how to change video background in CapCut. So the first step is to import your video and then simply add it to your timeline. Now the next step is to copy and paste this video, so make sure they're on top of each other. Now select the video on the top and then you just have to go and click on remove background. From here select auto removal and then we're gonna have to wait until this loads up. So basically what we're gonna have to do next, so after we remove the background, we're gonna have to add our video background. So as you can see now, it's still the same. If we go to media and then we go to library, and let's take from here a background image. So let's take this one. So we can drag this and put it behind. So now we're gonna have to wait until this loads up and then simply resize it like this. And as you can see now, if we play the video, we'll have this effect right here. Now what you can do, you can also add an animation. So let's remove this one and then let's select this video, then go to animations, and then from here we can simply add one like this. So as you can see now, it will play the animation and we'll have our video background changed. So basically that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.